is we're going to be covering more information about the program itself, the minimum requirements, also how to get approved. All right, that's always important, right? How do you go about getting approved for your business? And then also, if you stick around to the end, I got a bonus resource that I'm going to share with you to help you speed up the process should you decide to apply. Let's go. Hello and welcome to Credit Hustle Finance. My name is Richard Dang. I will be your host. So if you're looking for the fastest, easiest ways to get the maximum amount of financing for your company or real estate investment empire, you are at the right place at the right time. In this channel, I'm going to be giving you tips on business credit, personal credit, and business grants. But most importantly, I'm going to be showing you hard to find money resources. So I'll be teaching you where to get the money from, but not just that. I'm also going to be showing you exactly what you need to do to get approved, because that's important. It's not just important to know where to get the money from. You need to know how to go about getting. And lastly, how do you get the maximum amount of money possible? If any of this sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, comment below what part of the world are you tuning in from, or what state are you tuning in from, and then also hit the notification button so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video each week. All right, guys, so let's get started. If you take a look, I simply did a Google search for SBA no origination fees starting October 1st, 2021, and it pulled up the SBA.gov. Make sure it's SBA.gov, and we're going to go to their files and their documents to take a look at this entire program and what it encompasses and how it's going to actually help you if you're in a situation where you need to pay off some high interest rate debts or you just need to get financing. Okay, and you effective October 1st, 2021. So this is effective since last Friday, okay, at the time of this recording. All right, so let's go ahead and let's take a look at this this document here. Okay, so SBA information notice. All right, if you look at it, it says this is to all SBA employees and lenders. So effectively, the Small Business Administration sent out this letter, aka this memo, to let all of the SBA employees as well as lenders know about the new fee structure. So let's read. It says, each year the SBA reviews certain fees payable to the SBA by 7A lenders and borrowers to determine the appropriate fees to manage the estimated cost of the 7A loan program. This notice announced, number one, the annual service fee, also known as the ongoing guarantee fee and upfront guarantee fee for 7A loans for the fiscal year of 2022. And number two, it also shows the exceptions to those fees authorized for the fiscal year of 2022 for the 7A loan program. All right, so this is why it's exciting to you, and this is why it's important that you understand and know about this program. Number one, if you take a look, it says the following fees are effective for all 7A loans approved October 1st through 2021 through September 30th, 2022. Okay, so if you have not applied, you will actually be able to benefit. Now, if you're in the middle of an SBA and you are already approved prior to October 1st, but you have not closed, I don't think that it will apply to you. Get with your loan officer to see. Okay, so this is where the benefit comes in. If you take a look, it says annual service fee. The annual service fee will be for loans up to $350,000 and less, 0%. So basically, essentially what the SBA is saying is the 3% that we normally charge for an origination fee is going to be waived. And the reason why that's huge is because, for example, if you were taking out a loan for $350,000 and you were paying the origination fee, that fee would be $10,500, and that would be paid up front. And so a lot of times different different obstacles cause people not to want to take loans, and sometimes it's because of the upfront fees. And so in this scenario, if you're getting up to $350,000 or less, that 3% is going to be waived. And I'm going to dive deeper in that as we go in the video. I just want to run through this letter because we're going to actually go to a lending platform with more information. Okay, so let's keep going. For loans of $350,001 up to and including $1 million, okay, 0.49% of the guaranteed portion of the outstanding balance of the loan. Okay, so these are loans that go a little bit higher for lenders that go up to $1 million, or if you were getting a loan up to $1 million, your upfront origination fee is going to be only point. Okay, guys, so I had to interrupt this video to tell you about a $1,000 VIP business credit package where we're going to work with one lucky individual. Hopefully it's you, but we're going to work with one lucky individual one-on-one, and we're going to coach you and we're going to work with you. This is not just a coaching where we throw you away and give you some videos. No, we're going to work with you one-on-one to help one lucky individual build $50,000 in business credit. But it don't stop there. It gets better. What we're also going to do is give you access to our business credit and finance software. Now, this software is unlike everything else in the market because our software have access to over 4,000 net 30 vendors. Now imagine you see people saying here's 5 vendors, here's 10 vendors. You know, people are showing you vendors, but they don't have access to this. So access to 4,000 net 30 vendors. You're also going to get access to 13 banks. You're going to get access to 267 alternative online lenders that lend to businesses every single day. And you're also going to get access to 5 SBA programs and 9 real estate programs, commercial real estate, as well as fix and flip real estate. So if you're in the real estate market, it will work for you as well. Now, why are we doing this? I decided, hey team, we need to give something away in order to get some momentum, to get some traction going, and to reward the first few people that subscribe to our channel. So in order to win, all you have to do is subscribe and then comment below, where are you chiming in from in the world? Okay, what part of the world you're chiming in from, and then if you don't want to say that, you can also just leave a positive comment telling us, hey, what did you take away from the video that was really good? Outside of that, I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. My name is Richard Dang with Credit, Hustle, and Finance. Welcome to the new channel. Look below because we got some more resources in the description box. Other than that, I hope you make it a great day. Enjoy the rest of the video. 0.49, that is major. And then for loans over $1 million, it's only 0.55%. And so if you're a person that right now, let's say you have a daily payment loan, or you have a merchant cash advance loan, or you have a high interest rate business loan, or let's just say you are looking to purchase inventory, looking to do marketing, looking to do expansion, looking to get money for your business, to grow your business, to hire employees, or things of that nature, then you need to pay close attention, because as we go through the platform, I'm going to be showing you how this actually benefits you as a borrower. Let's go. All right, so now I went on SmartBiz website. Now, if you don't know who SmartBiz is the #1 provider of SBA loans online. And what they do is they partner with banks to provide, they connect banks, SBA banks with borrowers. So essentially, instead of, for example, let's say if you went to your own bank, right, and you applied for an SBA loan, what most people don't know is that the individual banks have their own criteria of who they lend to, and their own guidelines of what they use to make those decisions. And so, for example, if you you may go to your local SBA and they may refer you to a local bank, but that local bank may have restrictions that, let's say let's say if you were based in Texas, but there's a bank that's based in Arizona that is more lender friendly to people who are truckers, for example. But the bank that you went to in Texas was not as friendly. What happens is you may think, oh, well, I'm just not good enough for an SBA loan. Where SmartBiz kind of solve that problem, because what they do is you submit one application to them and they're able to scrub your industry, your type of business against which SBA provider or which bank preferred SBA provider will better match your company. And so this opened up an entire opportunity for businesses all across the US, because now I can get a loan from a bank that I didn't even know existed in an entire another state that has more friendlier criteria when it comes to me getting approved. Okay. And I'm going to be putting more videos about that, explaining that. But for the purposes of this video, I'm trying to keep it under 12 minutes. So let's just go in and I brought you to this website because I want to show you, they break down a lot of different things. So what can you use the funds for? Number one, working capital. Okay. Working capital is just basically what it is. You need money to take care of things within the business. Okay. Debt refinancing. This is really, really huge. This is one of the things that we work with many clients on, as far as helping them get out of high interest rate loans and helping them get to a monthly payment as opposed to high daily payments eating up their cash flow. But it also works in other areas as well, as I mentioned, business, credit cards, and things of that nature. Now, commercial real estate. We just talked about the commercial real estate aspect. Now, you probably can't see this. You'll be able to go to the site later on. I got the link in the bio at the bottom in the description. But for the commercial real estate, it starts at 500 and goes to 5 million, right? So you can get commercial real estate with this loan, and those high origination fees, which we're going to cover, you're not going to have to worry about that. Okay. Another thing SBA like to see is if you're hiring employees, because that makes them look good, right? Their whole program is about helping the community, helping small businesses grow. Why do they want small businesses to grow? Because small businesses employ the bulk of the hiring population in the country. Okay. Purchasing equipment. If you need to purchase equipment, you can purchase equipment through this program, which is good. But in some cases, I think it's better to go with, in my opinion, sometimes that's not always the case, but I would prefer to use an SBA for other types of financing and use an equipment financer for equipment, because that's almost like a separate thing. And why burn up your SBA dollars for that when you can use that as a separate loan? But then there again, it depends on your unique situation. And of course, you would have to talk to your loan provider for that information to see how to structure your loan best for you. So marketing, business expansion, of course, inventory and operational expenses. So let's go down. I like this. They have this neat calculator to kind of show you different ways they calculate your monthly payment and what you can expect. So for example, on $100,000 loan, you're looking at about $1,000 a month for 10 years with a 6% interest rate and an APR of 7.18. Okay. And then if you go up to 350, you'll see, and this is for 10 years, and that's better. Sometimes with these daily payment loans and so on, and these short-term loans. Now, I'm not against them, because we also help clients with those because they serve a purpose. But once you get them, it's always good to try to refinance them if you can into a more stable product with long-term lower payments. And you can always pay this loan off early if you want. There's no real prepayment penalties or anything like that. But your payment will be lower. Okay, so let's look at the qualifications. Okay, to qualify for this loan, you have to have 2 years in business. Now, don't get discouraged if you have not been in business for 2 years, because we have a product that can help you in this situation. So let's say you're a person that you've been in business less than 2 years, but you still are paying daily payments and you have merchant cash advance and you want to get rid of the daily payments. You still should reach out to us and, let us know, fill out the form below, because we have a product to help you eliminate your daily payments and go to more of a monthly payment. But for this program, of course, you have to be in business for 2 years. The business owners must be U.S. citizens or legal permanent residents, and business owners must have a personal credit score above 650. Now, there again, if you don't meet these criteria, don't get discouraged. And I encourage you to watch the end of the video, because you still will get a lot out of this. And then if you, let's say you have been in business for 6 months or maybe a year or so, or a year and a half, but you're under 2 years. You still want to watch, because we have a program called a SBA Readiness Program, where we actually work with business owners that has been in business less than 2 years, but we put you on a fast track to get you money now. But then we also help you set up your business to get approved for a low interest rate SBA loan. Okay. Cash flow. You have to have the cash flow and supporting loan payments. All right. Bankruptcies. No bankruptcies or foreclosure in the last 3 years. Prior default on government back loans. You can't have no defaults on that. You can't have any outstanding tax liens, and the loan proceeds can not be used for unpaid taxes. Hello guys, and welcome to our new channel. So in order to celebrate the launch of this new channel, we're going to be giving away a $150,000 giveaway. Yes, you heard it right, $150,000 business credit and finance program that we normally sell for around $5,500 and something odd dollars. We're going to actually give this program away to one of our lucky subscribers. So I'm going to tell you what you have to do to enter after I explain what you get. So one lucky individual, hopefully it's you, you're going to get a one-on-one coaching session with our team. Now, I was talking to the team and I said, hey, we have to do something to reward our new subscribers and to kind of get some traction going on the channel. So we're not going to just throw you, give you some, a set of videos and say good luck. No, we're going to actually work with this individual as if you were a paying client. Okay. So you're going to get a one-on-one coaching session. You're also going to get access to our software that has 4,000 net 30 vendors in it. We have over 13 banks at present, as well as SBA lenders. We also, for our real estate people out there, we also have fix and flip loans and hard money loans and private money lenders that we use for our own deals. You're going to have access to those lenders as well. Now, how cool is that? But it doesn't stop there. You're also going to get over 250 credit cards that you can use to build, launch, or fund your business idea or your real estate investment empire. So let me tell you what you need to do to get started. All you have to do in order to be considered is there's no money involved. You don't have to spend a dime. Okay. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and like one video. Okay. Subscribe to the channel, like one video, comment your city or state below. Okay, we want to know where are you coming in from, and then also fill out our 2-minute survey form, and that we're going to use this form to make sure that we're producing the right content and we're producing content that matters to our viewers. Okay, so with that being said, good luck. My name is Richard Dang. I'm going to be your host, Credit Hustle Finance. Make it a great day.